Explore the exhilarating world of FPV drone flight with DJI's latest release, the Avata 2. With sharper visuals, improved safety features, and longer battery life, it's the ultimate upgrade from the original Avata. Join us as we take a closer look at what sets the Avata 2 apart in this exciting comparison video. If you've ever flown the first DJI Avata, you know how easy it is to control, especially with DJI's motion controller. Even someone with limited FPV experience finds it intuitive. Many people tried it out for the first time last week, starting in beginner mode, and within seconds, they were eager to switch to full speed. Unlike crashes with other types of drones like the MAVIC, Air, or Mini, which can be worrying, FPV drones are built to handle some bumps and knocks. Whether it's brushing against branches, grazing walls, or encountering the occasional obstacle, the Avata 2 is designed to withstand it. The Avata 2's quality is top-notch. Its rotor guards protect the rotors from damage if you accidentally hit a wall or brush against foliage. Plus, it features a turtle mode that lets you flip the drone over and keep flying after a crash. While accessing this mode takes a few menu clicks, it works well. Overall, the Avata 2 can handle most obstacles without any visible damage, providing peace of mind even after a few mishaps. However, I wouldn't suggest flying into anything hard at full speed. DJI has equipped the Avata 2 with a larger image sensor compared to its predecessor, ensuring superior image quality. The Avata 2 boasts a 1 by 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, offering a wider dynamic range and enhanced performance in low-light environments. Paired with an ultra-wide-angle lens featuring a 155-degree viewing angle, the drone provides an immersive aerial photography experience. With its advanced camera capabilities, the Avata 2 can capture HDR video at impressive 4K/60 FPS or slow-motion footage at 2.7K and 100 frames per second. Additionally, it introduces a 10-bit D-Log M color mode for precise color grading. In contrast, the original DJI Avata features a slightly larger 1 by 1.7-inch CMOS sensor with the same 155-degree viewing angle. It also supports similar video resolutions, including 4K at 60 frames per second and 2.7K at 120 frames per second slow-motion video when used with compatible DJI goggles. The DJI Avata 2 boasts an extended flight time of up to 23 minutes, a significant upgrade from its predecessor's 18-minute duration. This 5-minute advantage gives the Avata 2 an edge in prolonged aerial exploration. Additionally, the Avata 2 supports PD fast charging, minimizing downtime between flights. Moreover, it's compatible with DJI's two-way charging hub, enabling the transfer of power from multiple batteries to the one with the highest charge level, ensuring uninterrupted flying sessions. The Avata 2 brings the expected upgrades that come with a new generation. A bigger camera promises sharper photos and videos, while a slight boost in flight time adds to the experience. Additionally, new features like Easy ACRO cater to Motion Controller 3 users, offering the thrill of flips, rolls, and drifts with ease. While the improvements mainly stem from the goggles, FPV enthusiasts will surely appreciate the larger camera. Easy ACRO, on the other hand, adds a fun twist for more casual pilots like myself. In summary, the Avata 2 continues DJI's legacy of excellence in drone technology. It delivers everything you'd anticipate from the industry leader, and even on pre-release firmware, I encountered no bugs or unexpected software crashes. Whether you're seeking a new thrill in drone flying or looking to enhance your client offerings with a straightforward FPV drone, the Avata 2 fits the bill perfectly. With its impressive features and reliable performance, it's a solid choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. The DJI Avata 2 is now up for grabs, ready for order today on DJI's website and even on Amazon from day one. Impressive. Prices start at $999 for the single battery combo and $1,199 for the 3 battery combo. If you're after just the Avata 2 drone with 1 battery and no extras, you can snag it for $489. But keep in mind, you'll need to pair it with compatible gear like the 3rd generation motion controller, goggles, and flight controller, which are currently the only options available. The DJI Avata 2 stands out as a drone designed for those craving a more thrilling flight experience. Unlike conventional drones that excel in capturing sweeping landscapes, the Avata 2 offers a different kind of excitement. With integrated prop guards and a focus on FPV flying, its design prioritizes maneuverability and engagement. It's perfect for enthusiasts seeking to inject a sense of adventure into their flights, reigniting a passion for those seeking more than just aerial photography. While it's still capable of capturing high-quality footage, the Avata 2's emphasis on dynamic, fun flight adds a fresh dimension for drone enthusiasts seeking a new perspective. What are your thoughts on the exhilarating flight experience offered by the DJI Avata 2? Feel free to share your impressions or any exciting experiences you've had with FPV flying. And of course, don't forget to show some love. Hit that like and subscribe icon for more awesome content in your feed.